everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this super fun maze card that you can use for any event, Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, anything you want. And it's really fun to open up and just see. As you can see, it opens up like this, and then you can just close it, like so. So for this, you will need a 10 by 20 piece of paper, a 9 by 18 piece of paper, a 8 by 16, 7 by 14, 6 by 12, 5 by 10, 4 by 8, 3 by 6, and 2 by 4. You will also need some stickers, and these are all in centimeters. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to take each one of your papers and you're going to fold them in half. So this one is my 10 by 20 that I'm folding in half, and as I go on, I want to crease these well so that our maze card does not look too thick and it doesn't want to just open up because of all the layers of paper that we put in. So here I've folded my 10 by 20 and then my 9 by 18. I'm going to fold it too. And I will do this for each of the layers. Here I have folded all of my sheets of paper. So now I'm going to take some glue, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 10 by 20 centimeter paper, and I'm going to just take my 9 by 18 and add some glue. Keep it folded, so I just add some glue on one of the sides, like this. And then, this is the tricky part of this. What I do is I'm going to take this, and you see this center line? I want this to match up with the edge like this. And if you're wondering why do we do that, it's because we want this to be hidden like a surprise. In this one, see, you can't even see the pieces of paper. If it was not lined up, it would poke out. As you can see, it's edged to it. So I'm going to just line this up, and I'm just going to glue it on. And then you see we already have one layer, like this. And we're going to do that with all of our layers. So I'm going to take my 8 by 16 now. I'll add some glue onto it. And, oh, whoops. And I will, again, and make sure you don't do it like this. Keep the side of the glue and keep it so that it doesn't poke out this way. It should come out, open up this way. So now I'm just going to add this on, and make sure it's not going on like this, and you can see the yellow paper from the edge. So I'm just gonna stick this one on too, and then I'm just gonna take all my layers and glue them on, and make sure that when you come again, because this will come up onto here and you're going to make another layer, so make sure that when you're making that next layer, you don't make it so that the colors are touching the edge. Otherwise it may look a little weird because of, let's say, like it's yellow and yellow are touching, then it may look like one paper. So we don't want to do that. And I'm just going to add my glue for all the layers. So now you see I've glued on all my layers, and now our maze card is ready. So here I'm going to fold it back up, and while folding, you just fold it in, and then you just go in and in and in, and you just fold each flap in again and again until it's all the way closed like this. And remember, do not go like this. You don't want to go like this because otherwise it doesn't open the right way. You want to take all the layers and do it like this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take some stickers to decorate the front because you don't want the front to be plain. So now my maze card is ready, and this card is super fun, so be sure to make this for your family members, friends, or anyone you want, and you can use this for any event, Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, anything you want, and this is really fun. Here are my maze cards, which are super fun. Hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!